I wish there was a way to understand this exception. There is. When you get an exception, click Explain with AI to get JetBrains AI Assistant to explain the exception and even give us some guidelines on how we can better deal with it. Just exceptions in Java? Nope, exceptions in any language like this one in C#. In Rider, you need to run with the debugger and then we can click Explain with AI. And if I see a problem in the IDE, can I just ask JetBrains AI Assistant to help me out? Yep, Alt and Enter or Option and Enter, select AI actions, find problems, choose your scope, and away you go. How can I get JetBrains AI Assistant to find and explain potential problems in my code to me? Same again, Alt and Enter or Option and Enter, select AI actions, find problems, choose your scope. Then you can review the findings and see if there are any changes that you want to make to your code. Sometimes I can see there's a problem, but I'm really not sure what the problem is. Yep, you can always just ask JetBrains AI Assistant, what's wrong? For example, what's wrong with this line? Why is it highlighted in red? And how should I fix it? What if my tests are failing? Can JetBrains AI Assistant fix those as well? Kinda. Let's say we have a failing test here, and much like any other coding question, we can head over to AI Assistant and say, hey, why did our test fail? AI Assistant uses its rich context and gives us the answer. So next time you're struggling with an error or an exception or something doesn't make sense or you want to see potential errors in your code, just ask JetBrains AI Assistant to find and explain them for you.